Today I'm going to teach you how to label X and Y axis in Google Sheets. This is a simple but essential feature when you want to make your charts more readable and professional looking, especially when sharing data with colleagues or presenting information. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and type in workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll see your workspace dashboard with all your files and folders. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet that contains the chart where you want to add axis labels. This will open the spreadsheet in a new view where you can see all your data and any existing charts you've created. Now, let's say you already have a graph in your spreadsheet. Simply click on that graph to select it. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear in the upper right corner of the chart. These dots represent the menu options for your chart. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Edit Chart. This opens up the editing interface where you can customize every aspect of your chart. Once you click Edit Chart, the Chart Editor panel will appear on the right side of your screen. By default, you'll be on the Setup tab, which deals with the basic structure of your chart, like data range and chart type. However, for labeling axis, you need to switch tabs. Click on the Customize tab to access all the design and labeling options. Inside the Customize tab, you'll see several expandable sections. Look for the one labeled Chart and Axis Titles, and click on it to expand. This section is specifically designed for adding and editing titles for your chart and its axis. You'll notice a drop-down menu at the top of this section. By default, it's set to Chart Title, which is the main title that appears at the top of your chart. But we want to label the axis, so click on that drop-down menu to see all available options. From the drop-down, select Horizontal Axis Title. This represents the X-axis, which runs along the bottom of your chart. Once you select it, a title text field will appear below. Simply type in the label you want for your X-axis. This could be something like months, categories, products, or whatever fits your data. After labeling the X-axis, click the drop-down menu again, and this time select Vertical Axis Title. This is for the Y-axis, which runs along the left side of your chart. Just like before, you'll see a title text field appear. Type in the label you want for your Y-axis, such as sales, revenue, units, or any other metric that describes your data. And that's it. You've successfully labeled both the X and Y axis on your Google Sheets chart. Your chart now clearly communicates what each axis represents, making it much easier for anyone viewing it to understand the data at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.